grandparents are visiting tonight. They are coming for dinner at 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. It's. It. It. It's. It's. It is. Together. It's. Repeat. It's. Very good. It's 7 p.m. p.m. P. E. P. E. P. P.m. p.m. It's 7 p.m. Repeat. Very good. Dinner. D. I. Di. Din. Dinner. Dinner. They are eating dinner. Dinner. Repeat. Very good. Is it 7 p.m.?
Yes, it's 7 p.m.
What are they doing?
They are eating dinner.
Very good. Is it 7 p.m.? Respond. Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Mother, father, they are the parents. The kids, the children, they are the parents. They are the grandparents. Grandparents. G, ger, gra, gran, p, grandp, heir, grandpair, grandparent, grandparent, grandparent. Grandparent, one grandparent. Remember, the D is silent, no D. Grandparent. Two grandparents. So together, grandparents. Grandparents. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Who are they?
They are the parents.
And who are they?
They are the grandparents.
Very good. Question. Who are they? Respond. Very good. Who are they? Respond. Very good. The grandparents are coming for dinner. Come. E, coming. Coming. Continuous action. Coming. Repeat. Coming. Very good. The grandparents are coming for dinner. They are eating dinner, and the grandparents are coming for dinner. Connector 4. Fur. The grandparents are coming for dinner. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What are they doing?
They are eating dinner.
Very good. Are the grandparents coming for dinner?
Yes, the grandparents are coming for dinner.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Question. Are the grandparents coming for dinner? Respond. Very good. Tonight. Ton. I, tonight. 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 7 p.m. Tonight. Repeat. Tonight. Very good. Visiting. Viz. Visit. Visit. Visit, simple action. Continuous. We change t, sound d. Visit. Visity. Visiting. Visiting. Repeat. The grandparents are visiting. They are visiting. They are visiting. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are the grandparents coming tonight?
Yes, the grandparents are coming tonight.
Very good. Are the grandparents coming tonight? Respond. Very good. Question. Are they visiting?
Yes, they're visiting.
Very good. Question. Are they visiting? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are the grandparents visiting tonight?
Yes, the grandparents are visiting tonight.
Very good. Are the grandparents visiting tonight? Respond. Very good. Are they coming for dinner?
Yes, they're coming for dinner at 7 p.m.
Very good. Are they coming for dinner? Respond. Very good. They're old. They're 69 and 67. They're retired. Old. Pronunciation. O, old. D, old. Old. He is old. Repeat. He is old. Very good. He is old. They are not old. They are young. Young. They are young. Repeat. They are young. Very good. Retired. Pronunciation. R. Rit. I. Retire. 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 Retired. They are retired. No work. They are old. They are retired. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are they old?
Yes, they're old.
How old are they?
They are 69 and 67.
Very good. Question. Are they old? Respond. Very good. How old are they? Respond. Very good. Question. Are they retired?
Yes, they are retired.
Very good. Is he old?
Yes, he's old.
Are they young?
Yes, they're young.
Very good. Question. Are they retired? Respond. Very good. Is he old? Respond. Very good. Are they young? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are you old?
No, I'm not old.
How old are you?
I'm 39.
Are you retired?
No, I'm not retired.
Very good. Question. Are you old? Respond. Very good. How old are you? Respond. Question. Are you retired? Respond. Very good.